The overall idea of the project, I'm so impressed about because the kids were not just entertained, they took ownership of the project, and you could see their contribution that they really mean. I mean, they love it. I mean, the kids don't pretend. That's a good thing about them.
It gave the children a real opportunity to engage with a musical genre that they've never have before. Also, you know, their perception that this isn't a cool or something they're into naturally. So it was really amazing to see them engage so creatively and be inspired by the project and the African composer Fela Sowande.
The children ended, I think, with a real pride, an absolute pride in learning about a composer that came from their country, had their culture, and it was familiar to them.